Ramadan, the month of blessing. Ramadan is the month when the heavens draw closer to the earth and hearts turn to God. It is the month of the revelation of the Quran, the month of mercy, forgiveness, and salvation from the fires of hell. Ramadan is not just a month of fasting. It is a golden opportunity to return to God, strengthen faith, and purify the soul and body. During this month, the gates of paradise are opened, the gates of hell are closed, and the devils are chained. But Ramadan is not just for Muslims. It is a month of empathy, forgiveness, and love for all humanity. Ramadan is the month in which every good deed you perform is multiplied in reward. Fasting during this month is not only a religious obligation, but also brings numerous benefits for the body and soul. Physically, fasting allows the body to detoxify and gives the digestive system a chance to rest. Spiritually, fasting helps one practice patience, empathy, and piety. In this month, prayers are answered, sins are forgiven, and hearts are illuminated with divine light. Among the nights of Ramadan, Laylat al-Qadr, the night of decree, stands out as the most special. It is the night when the Quran, the book of guidance and light, was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. This night is better than 1,000 months, and during it, angels descend to earth, bringing God's mercy to humanity. On this night, praying, reciting the Quran, and worshipping carry unparalleled rewards. Laylat al-Qadr is the night when destinies are decreed for the coming year, offering a chance for change and self-improvement. Ramadan is the month that teaches us how to become better human beings. It is the month of forgiveness, empathy, and love. During this month, we learn to empathize with those who experience hunger and thirst every day. Ramadan teaches us how to connect with God and how to help others. It is the month of blessings, a month where every moment is an opportunity for growth and elevation.